Hello mga kudoks, good day, kamusta na po kayo? So ngayon po ay day off ko. Actually day off ako ngayon ng 5 days. So talagang hindi siya leave, hindi siya annual leave or any other leave. Talagang off lang po ako for the next 5 days. So medyo maganda yung setup ng hospital ko kasi kinoconsider nila kung gusto mo ng medyo mahaba-habang off, pwede ka na mag-request kung gusto mo. So tulad ko, kasi sinabi ko na kasi alam nila yung setup ko na medyo may kami ni Mrs. long distance relationship lately kasi nga nasa siya, south ng England at ako nandito ako sa north sa Scotland. So pumapayag sila na consecutive days ako mag-duty, tapos mahaba din yung days off ko. So ito nga mga kudoks, 5 days off ako today. And si Mrs. ay pupunta dito sa Scotland today. So actually nasa airport na nga siya. Hindi pa nasa airport, nasa airport na siya ngayon. At papunta na siya dito sa Scotland. Tapos magkikita na lang kami dun sa city center ng Edinburgh. So darating siya in I think 30 to 40 minutes. Tapos nasa bus ako ngayon. It will take 30 to 40 minutes din na bus from my place dito sa Livingstone papuntang Edinburgh. So maganda ang panahon ngayon mga kudoks, hindi siya masyadong malamig, nasa 8 to 9 degrees lang. Medyo cloudy pero may prediction kaunti na may kaunting sun po mamayang mga hapon. So sana medyo sunny mamayang hapon po para hindi masyadong malamig at saka masaya kasi kung talagang may sun na kung may sun na lumalabas. Hi guys, my wife is in Scotland and we're gonna see some of the tourist attractions here in Edinburgh. First on the list is
Carlton Hill.
Carlton Hill. Carlton Hill or Castle?
Carlton Hill.
Yeah. First on the list guys is Carlton Castle. Yeah, Carlton. Welcome to Carlton Hill. So guys, this place is free.
Wow!
There's a lot of tourists here.
For today, we go to free places.
So yeah, there's a lot of free places to go to here in Edinburgh. So that's our agenda for today, guys. Hello. Nelson's Monument at hindi ko alam ang pangalan nito. Nakikita ko yung city ng Edinburgh dyan, mga structures din dyan. So guys, we just ate lunch. So kumain kami ng ramen. So we spent 34 pounds for our lunch. So we had 2 ramen, Tantan ramen and Tonkotsu ramen. So ngayon guys, pupunta kami ng saan tayo?
So yeah, National Museum of Scotland.
So guys, pahirapan talaga yung pagpunta dito sa mga tourist attraction kasi puro lakad at puro paakyat. Pero sulit naman guys, kasi hindi ka naman pagpapawisan kasi malamig. So okay lang. So ngayon, papunta kaming National Museum of Scotland at saka St. Giles Cathedral. Guys, napakaganda ng museum nila dito. Merong mga animals, ano pa?
Of all the museums in UK, this is one of the best.
So merong mga technology, about technology, interactive.
Very interactive. You should try going here.
Yes. At free siya guys, so masaya.
The best part, it's free.
So we just went to church and it's my wife's
12 o'clock and it's my third day today here in Edinburgh, and now we're going to Jollibee again for our late lunch.
So it's a bit cold today than usual guys, so it's 2 degrees Celsius. But it's tolerable as long as you have the right clothes with you. So it will be fine. It's gonna be fine if you just wear the proper clothing. So yeah, so it's a Sunday. As my wife said, we went to church and we're gonna eat lunch now. And what else are we doing today?
Just roam around here in the city center.
Yes, we just went to Jollibee to eat our lunch. And we're gonna find another place again which is free here in Edinburgh. So we're going to the Museum of Childhood. It's just like a couple of minutes from the main city center of Edinburgh. So I hope maganda ang lugar na to, guys. Ano masasabi mo?
It's okay as long as it's free.
Yes. It's cold today, to be honest. But so after this maybe we'll just sit down and inom na kami ng coffee and go home maybe. Okay.
Just got married.
Someone got married? Where? Oh.
Or just having picture photo shoot.
mag-shopping. So nandito ang aking wife ngayon sa Scotland. So wala kami masyadong gagawin ngayon. Tapos na kaming gumala sa Edinburgh. So ngayon magsha-shopping or window shopping lang kami dito sa Livingston Mall. Nasa Primark kami guys. So ang Primark ang isa sa mga common dito na department store.
It's 20.
Guys, dito sa Primark maraming mga mura dito na mga damit. Lalo na't may mga further reductions kasi medyo patapos na yung winter. Kaya maraming sale, diba? Lately.
But this one is not on sale.
Yep. So guys, maraming mura dito sa Primark. So usually mga less than 10 pounds na yung mga jumper, yung mga sweater, yung mga jacket, yung mga trousers din na murang-mura or yung mga pants na mura. So minsan gusto kong bumili pero minsan di ko naman talaga kailangan ng maraming mga damit. So pag-iisipan ko pa. Hanapin natin si Mrs. guys. Di ko alam saan siya ngayon. Hinahanap ko pa siya dito sa Primark. So guys, nakabili kami ng mga damit sa Primark at isang hat. So gumastos kami ng 20 pounds sa Primark. Ngayon si Mrs. ay nandito na naman sa H&M. Dito kami mamimili sa sale sa H&M guys kasi marami na naman sale. Hopefully hindi kami gagastos ng marami, diba? Ayan siya guys, active na active sa pamimili. Hinay-hinay lang, okay? Large? Okay po. Large or medium? Nade medium. So guys, we're just in the middle of our shopping here in the mall in Livingston. So my wife was able to buy a jacket from Colombia. So it's around 60 pounds. So I think that's a good deal because mostly Colombia jackets are around 100 to 150 pounds, like the usual jackets that we have. So it's a good deal. The thing is, our credit card was charged twice, but the lady at the till or the cashier assured us that it will be refunded or bounced back in the next 72 hours. So hopefully it will be returned to us because, you know, instead of us getting a sale, it was charged twice, unfortunately. So, but it will not damage our day, right? Yeah, so we bought, this is the jacket, the Colombia jacket, and we bought something from H&M and what else? Primark or Primark. So now we're here at what's it? Pizza Express. So this restaurant caters blue light card or NHS discount. So we're eating here. So we will get a 20% discount on our total expenses. Wow! How are you liking your shopping so far? Except for the double tap.
I just hope it will like bounce back.
It will bounce back.
It's already a good buy. So if it won't bounce back, it's just like the normal or the regular price. Yeah, but I really love the jacket or coat. It's Colombia already. So I've purchased Colombia in the Philippines and it's around 17,000. The first time I went here, I bought that. Yeah. But now it's just 4,000 if you convert it into pesos, so it's a great deal. And I got one trousers. It's only 8 pounds. Imagine H&M. If you convert that one, it would be 500 plus. So goodbye. So that's it, guys. We only buy sale. We don't buy expensive stuff.
That's it, guys. We're still at the middle of our shopping here at Livingston. Hello, so I went to this chocolate store in the outlet mall. How much is that?
£1.99.
Yes, so 140 pesos, guys, for a bar of chocolate. I'm not sure if it's big.
I think it's expensive.
Expensive?
If you compare it to the Philippines.
Just don't convert it. But it's just £1 and...
$1.99. We just
1.99.
bought it because we love it
You want to eat chocolate.
right now.
But this store offers a lot of chocolates, a lot of variety of chocolates with different prices. We just ate our dinner, so I was not able to film while my wife was cooking the food. So guys, pinaglutuan niya ako ng adobong baboy.
Wow!
So we just had our dinner, tapos itong tira, ito yung kakainin ko for the next maybe 2 meals, maybe mga 2 meals, siguro isang lunch at saka isang dinner at yung mga kudok. So I'm so lucky that my wife cooked food for me, and nasa taas lang siya mga kudoks, nag-i-impake kasi aalis na naman siya bukas pabalik ng Exeter. So ito yung setup namin guys for the next 11 months na nandito ako sa Scotland. At siya, naka-impake ka na ba?
Yes.
Alis na naman siya guys. But makikita na naman kami next month during Valentine's Day. Yay! So ito yung munti namin kwarto dito sa Scotland guys. So nagsishare lang kami ng house dito. So isang room. Malaki naman yung room.
Malaki.
No? Malaki. Okay naman. Malapit na yung hospital dito guys. Di ko alam. Sa tagal ko na nandito, hindi ako nagpa-vlog sa room. Pero yung hospital ko nandyan lang guys. Malapit lang. Mga 15 minutes walk. So yun guys, naka-impake na nga si Mrs. Yan. Alis na siya bukas. So ihatid ko siya sa airport ng Edinburgh tomorrow. Ano masasabi mo?
Social life.
So yun guys, ganito talaga ang setup sa UK. I think akala natin madali lang yung ano. So sa mga doktor, akala natin katulad sa Pilipinas na madali lang. Parang magtatrabaho ka lang sa isang lugar, mag-a-apply ka, tapos doon ka na magtatrabaho. Dito sa UK, kahit ipilit mo na dyan ka magtatrabaho ng hospital, kung hindi ka talaga magkakaroon ng trabaho dyan, kailangan ka mag-apply sa ibang hospital. So yun yung nangyari sa amin guys, kaya napunta ko dito sa Scotland para magtrabaho. But hopefully after nitong first contract ko, magkasama na kami ulit. Either dito sa Scotland or makabalik dun sa Exeter, makabalik dun sa England, or we'll never know kung saan kami mapapadpad. So dito sa UK guys, kung magdo-doctor ka, lalo na't foreigner ka at first job mo, ito yung pinaka-critical kasi mahirap ditong ma-hire sa first job mo as a doctor. So blessed na lang ako na nakapag-work ako. So adjust muna kami dito guys sa ganitong situation na malayo kami. At sana makayanan ko rin yung trabaho bilang isang doctor kasi mahirap yung adjustment, major adjustment. At siya rin major adjustment kasi hindi kami magkasama palagi. So, para akong seaman guys na pauwi-uwi lang, at saka si Mrs. punta-punta lang dito sa Scotland. Ito pala yung feeling na malayo sa mahal natin sa buhay guys. Mahirap. Lalo na sa abroad ka. You're not at the comfort of your home, family. At saka kami lang dalawa dito sa UK. Tapos naglayo pa kami dahil sa work. So mahirap. So advice ko, as much as possible, talagang magkasama kayo ng family mo kung nasa abroad kayo. Or kung magdo-doctor ka man dito sa UK, sana as much as possible magkasama kayo ng family mo kasi hindi rin talaga madali guys. Lalo na kung may anak ka siguro, lalong mas mahirap. But yun nga guys, tinanggap ko tong trabaho na to kasi mahirap magkaroon ng first job. So talagang kailangan namin tong i-endure kasi blessed na rin ako at nagkaroon ako ng trabaho dito. Although sayang yung opportunity sana dun sa England na meron sana ako, pero hindi binigay ni Lord, so baka may reason siya. So kita-kits tomorrow guys, ihatid ko si Mrs. papuntang Edinburgh Airport. Hi guys, papunta na kaming Edinburgh Airport ngayon. Ihatid ko si Mrs. sa airport. Kasakay kami sa bus. See you on the 14th of February. Yay! So guys, mag-work lang kami the whole time. magkalayo kami. So, ganda ang weather ngayon guys. Hindi maulan. Hindi rin masyadong sunny. Okay lang. Hindi rin masyadong malamig. So, see you mamaya sa airport guys. Kakain na naman kami ng lunch. Hi guys, welcome to Edinburgh Airport. So my wife's plane is mga ano pa po, 3 PM. So magla-lunch muna kami dito sa Edinburgh Airport. So nasa Cafe Nero kami guys. And so gumastos kami ng magkano to? 18 pounds. Wow! Bread lang. Tsaka coffee. 18 pounds guys. Almost 20 pounds. So for our breakfast guys, napa-bread lang. Almost 20 pounds or mga 1,400 to 1,500 pesos. So yun yung gastos namin guys for our breakfast. But okay lang. Are you excited to fly?
No.
Excited to work? Sige guys, kain tayo. This last part of our vlog will be a bit sad because we will not be seeing each other again for 3 weeks. So see you together guys again on our next vlog next month, and thank you for watching and keep a positive mindset. Okay, bye.